I wonder how Death spends its time off. Cleaning the house, working out, getting manicures, relaxing in cafes, or dancing at crazy parties. Watch our new video to find out what Death does on vacation. Oh, another day of Death! Good morning, Underworld! A little exercise never killed nobody. I need to stretch my scythe before I start work. Time for breakfast. Oh no, I killed the yolk. Honey, your eggs are ready. And your tea. You need to start eating a more balanced diet. After all, too much sugar and salt can be deadly. Time for work. Here's our first client. Ready? Aim? What's the best angle to hit him from? And how can I get rid of the body afterwards? Excuse me, do you have the time? It's not your time to die yet. Get out of here. Witnesses always spoil everything. I'm so annoyed. I need to take a break. Death starts a new life. First order of business, cleaning up this mess. The atmosphere in here is so gloomy. I'll make it nice and clean. Hello, Yorick. How's it going, old friend? Washing the floor is a must. A scythe makes an excellent mop. I gotta get rid of these spider webs. And all this dust. There we go. Now Death's apartment is squeaky clean. I'm a rock star. But I'm missing something. Of course, our wedding photo. That was such a beautiful day. I look great in white. Why do I never wear it anymore? Movie night! What did Death pick? Could it be a horror movie? Of course! What else could it be? That's its favorite genre. It's always so scary to see someone doing your job horribly wrong. Why are you killing her like that? And you claim to be a Grim Reaper. Newbie! Ready, set, go! Death is a big supporter of healthy lifestyles. Here we are, cheering on marathon runners. Hey guys, how's it going? You tired yet? Hey, what's wrong? I just wanted to say hi. Since connecting with people didn't work, maybe I can befriend some pigeons? Coo, coo! Eat up, birdies! What could be better than chasing pigeons just like I did when I was little? Don't fear the Reaper! Some kids are playing ball. Bad serve! But Death will catch the ball. Mine! Oops! The scythe cut the ball. Sorry, boys. I'm better at hockey. Take your ball. Hey, where are you going? So much for sports. Why doesn't anyone want to play games with Death? Who needs a skateboard when you could ride a scooter? I want to try. Hey, you with the scythe. Give me my scooter back right now! I'm a little hungry. I'll order a pizza. Delivery in 30 minutes? Perfect! Pizza delivery! Open up! Who would have predicted that Death would change professions? Now it's the fastest pizza delivery boy in town. Oh my goodness, is that the Grim Reaper? Take all my money, just leave. I guess my my cholesterol really will kill me. Death is having a rest at a cafe. It's not its fault that the guy at the next table choked on a cookie. The poor thing might die. Hold on, let me check my database. His name isn't on my list of clients, which means this isn't a life or death situation. Got it. I'll help this guy survive. Here, let me help. Don't fight me. I know this one maneuver. You'll feel better in just a second. Come on, just a little more. Ugh, what a stubborn cookie. But from the side, the situation looks a little different. It's killing him! Hey, Death, get your hands off my friend! Ouch! That's what I get for trying to help a mere mortal. Who doesn't love sunbathing? Definitely not Death. It's totally cloudy and the whole sky is gray? That's the best time to get a deathly suntan. Perfect! I hope my tan is even. I've been looking so pale lately. Death is having a spa day. How about a manicure? Please, have a seat, Miss Death? What can I do for you today? Trim? Color? Acrylics? Just a plain manicure, please. But be careful. My fingers are very thin and delicate. And I want some longer nails too. I keep breaking them against my scythe. Regular nail polish isn't good enough, but this sparkly one is much better. That's perfect! I love the result! Now going to work will be more fun than ever. Thanks, dearie! Goodbye! Oh, I think you forgot your tool. Although, this is pretty good as a nail file. Death decided to help out at the gym. Oh, I need to support this guy. Here, I'll spot you. Those weights are too heavy. I've got them. Oh no, please don't. I don't want to die at the gym. I'm too young. Hey, come back. What's going on today? Everyone's running away from me like I'm scary or something. There's a killer party coming up. Come dressed to kill. Perfect. Me and my scythe will go get ready. What should I wear? Let me see. No, bones are too vulgar. What should I choose? I'll have to dig around in my closet. Let me try on a couple of outfits. That's not it. I look too bony. And I wore this last Christmas. No. Orange isn't my best color. What should I do? I have nothing to wear. Ah, here it is. The perfect party outfit. Yeah! Death is getting hyped like never before. This party is so much fun that I could die. Death decided to try art therapy. Painting is great for calming down. This paint is so bright. What an expressive style. Death is so caught up in creating a masterpiece. Let's see the results. What a bright black square! Wonderful! This is a deathly beautiful painting. If you need to work on your balance, breathing, and inner harmony, yoga is the ideal hobby for you. So flexible! These asanas are lethal! And Death is pretty flexible. Its favorite pose is the sun salutation. It seems like Death has found some zen. A night of live music? How wonderful! Death loves music. These chords are so energizing. Death wants to try being in the limelight too. A scythe makes a wonderful harp. These sounds will make your blood boil. Death's best song is the funeral march. What lovely music! Death has its own fan club, and soon it'll record its very first album. Did you like learning about our friend from the afterlife? Then comment below what activity you like seeing the Grim Reaper doing most. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any of Death's adventures on Troom Troom.